Okay guys, I got a 2021 Chrysler Pacifica. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. So first, you're going to turn the vehicle to the on position using this keypad right here. Go down to vehicle info, scroll over till you get to oil life. Now you're going to hold OK right here. It resets. Very easy to do. Again, just use this directional keypad and turn the vehicle to the on or the run position by pressing on the engine start stop twice with your foot not on the brake. So yeah, that's how you reset the oil.